right it in 5:15. How cold were you walking out the door this morning?
I was wearing the biggest jacket that I own.
Yeah.
Did you have your big parka
It
on?
goes to my ankle.
No, I don't. This time, I do not blame you one bit. It is bone-chilling cold out there this morning. You do feel for anybody who doesn't have good access, safe access to heat, because it is dangerously cold.
It really is. I mean, we will get above freezing, but we're not looking to do that until lunchtime.
Okay.
So if you do know someone, please check on them, invite them in. We've got a list of services across our area that can help benefit too, but we do have some warmer weather on the horizon, which is some good news, and we'll get a nice little break. It's just not happened too much today. So here's your grab and go, everything that you do need to know. Today is the coldest start we have had since last winter. Temperatures obviously as forecasted coming in those teens, a few of you even the single digits. Now this afternoon we will warm into the 30s. And here's the thing, it's all about perspective. Yes, 36 degrees is very cold, especially for us. But thankfully, our winds aren't going to be too dramatic. You know, yesterday we had those winds gusting into the 20s throughout the day, so it had a huge bite to it. We're not looking to feel as intense as what we had yesterday. It's still going to be dangerously cold, so of course, take proper precautions, but it could truly be worse. Tomorrow morning, thanks to those light winds and clear skies, we're going to tumble back into the 20s to start off our Saturday. By Saturday afternoon, though, we are going to head back into the 50s, so a milder afternoon in place. And then we've got rain chances on the way heading into late Sunday. The best chance for more widespread activity is actually going to be Monday before it will ease its way out by Tuesday. Right now, though, of course, the buzz around town is just how low these temperatures are. Right here in the city, 18 degrees. Winds are out of our north right at 7 miles per hour. So yes, this 18, not necessarily face value, but at least we don't have those gusts. If we had gusts right now in the 20s, it would feel as if we were below zero. So kind of get that perspective in your mind. It makes you feel a little more grateful. It kind of warms our hearts a little more so, because it is bone-chilling cold. Over in Lebanon, you're waking up 17. And here's a look at these temperatures. It's not just here in Tennessee or even just in Kentucky. This cold front has shifted its way southward. Montgomery, Alabama coming in at 29, Atlanta, Georgia, 23. And that cold front isn't stopping there. It's now pushing its way into Florida. So we're actually going to be on the upswing today when they're just dilly-dallying with it for the first time. So we're a step ahead when it comes to that. These temperatures, though, are in the teens and a low 20s, and coming in right now in Cookeville, you're at 10 degrees. This isn't how it feels. This is what it is. Winds very calm, but even a wind around 5 to 7 miles per hour shaves off a few of those degrees, making it feel like Crossville is at 3. So we will have that slight sliver in the way of winds today, which will make it knock off 1 or 2 degrees, but we're not talking a 20-degree difference. I do look for us to be in the widespread 20s by the time 10 o'clock rolls around. Winds will continue to be in out of our north. Heading into after lunch, that's when we'll get above freezing, just about for everybody as we go throughout the day. But just as we do, it's like, okay, it's time for the sun to set. We're on the 4:30 time frame. So yes, as we make our way into 5, 6 o'clock, we're headed back into those 20s. So it is a very brief warm up. We're going to continue to tumble those numbers into the widespread 20s for tomorrow morning. A few of you across the plateau in the teens. And as we make our way into Saturday, that's when we start to climb out, winds shift, and we'll be back into those 50s. Sunday, winds are going to gain a little strength and momentum. That's ahead of our next system that will provide some rain showers. You'll notice the timing of this really starts to work in Sunday late afternoon, continuing overnight and into parts of Monday. So where is this coming from? Some moisture coming in from the Gulf. It is not anticipated to be severe, but it is going to be nutritious for us, receiving around 1 to 2 inches. Today, though, 37. It's going to feel closer to 35, okay? Tomato, tomato. We make our way into tomorrow morning, teens and low 20s. By the afternoon, 51. Sunday, winds are going to be gusting around 20, 25 miles per hour. Temperatures will top out at 53. We'll have our best chance for rain late Sunday throughout Monday, 64 for your high. And then another cold front moves in parts of Wednesday. Not a huge rainmaker, but it does drop temperatures back, Rebecca, with highs Thursday only in the 40s.